So I'm going to show you in this video how to change product image proportions. So what you're going to have to do here is just make sure you select your store page here, and then from here let's click on edit section, and then from here we have a layout. Click on layout, and then from here we're gonna see here, if you scroll a little bit, you're gonna see image ratio to change product image proportions. Okay, also product display style. And also you have this image hover effect, which I think looks pretty good. This one here, no effect, no effect. Swap image also, but I don't like that one. And yeah, you can go here. Now here to style, if you want to change the color of the text. Now we can also go here to add to bag and change from here. And then go here, change the color. And then hover maybe should be black. Okay, so yeah, I hope you found this video helpful on how to change product image proportions. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and take care.